I remember in 2021, I was a solution architect in one of the renowned pharmaceutical organizations from my parent company. So they have extensively used AWS and Snowflake as their enterprise data warehouse. You can imagine 169 countries' data they are trying to uh, positions as their enterprise data warehouse model, which is huge amount of data across different business lines, marketing, sales, uh, uh, their operational data, and many more. I mean, the today AWS Snowflake primarily completely revolutionized the entire data warehouse uh, landscapes. It is a cloud-based data analytical platforms, which is highly scalable, secure, uh, agile, and complete a enterprise data platform by which end user can get the insights quickly. So today I am going to share the four or five, in fact, the benefits of leveraging Snowflake as your enterprise data warehouse. And you, as a data engineer, must learn Snowflakes for your career growth. Not only career growth, even if you know, if you can get some certifications into your career, whatever level you are, probably that will be the one of the good milestones as far as your job search journey is concerned. So Snowflake is one of the very important enterprise data warehouse. Let us talk about the five features. Number one, its architectures. Its architecture is robust because it is a multi-cluster architecture environment. You can imagine like a big house which has been decoupled in a different cluster ways, and making sure that it is able to cater the amount of volume that eventually can come into this cloud data warehouse, right? So highly multi-cluster environment to making sure that it can able to scale, it can able to provide the required support in terms of both infrastructure and structure, in terms of storage and compute, right? That is number one. So it is a multi-cluster architecture to make sure that you are leveraging the highly scalable data platforms. Second aspect is it's basically elasticity, right? What it means is when your data volume grows, your infrastructure requirement, both the compute and storage, will also can be grow. You don't have to buy all the high cost infrastructure at the very beginning. It is elastic, essentially means your as per your data volumes requirement, the infrastructure computing can be also scaled automatically depending upon your switch on and off, so that you don't end up with paying a lot of money at the outsets. So elasticity is another major benefit of uh, Snowflake database, because its infrastructure, computing power and storage are completely decoupled, unlike traditional database. So that is another benefit. Third benefit is basically the security aspects, right? There is a role-based access control. There is an encryptions, making sure that right user get the right access. That while sharing the data, it is all encryptions, so that your personal informations or any kind of high sensitive information cannot be misused. That is another aspect. So what I have covered: architecture part, multi-cluster architecture. Second one is your elasticity, by which you can reduce your cost without buying the high infrastructure at the very beginning. You can buy as your data volume grows. Third one is security. Security is important because whole enterprise organization reputation can be ruined in a single day if something goes wrong as far as data leakage is concerned. So therefore that is also been taken care by the Snowflake. And fourth is data sharing. Today we as a business organizations uh, cannot work silos. We need to work with partners and different clients. So you may end up with the use case by which you need to share your data, certain amount of data, to different partners organizations to accelerate your business. In that case, AWS Snowflake has the facility to share the data without without any kind of duplicacy or inconsistency across your partner organizations. So that will definitely accelerate the business, accelerate the opportunity to collaborate across different partner and vendor organizations to sustain in the business. That is four aspects, data sharing. And fifth is very important, basically concurrencies. Now you think about Amazon, think about Flipkart, like a huge volume of end user, right? So uh, but there are some system user, there are some organization pupils situated in different parts of the world want to get some reports out of the data. So there will be concurrent users will be logging at a time to get the data. In that case, your database should not be slowed down, your performance should not be degraded. So Snowflake also take care about that part as well. So five features: architecture, multi-cluster, elasticity, reduce the performance by without incurring the cost at the very beginning. uh, Third one is data security, which will make sure that right user get the right access to encryption of data movement is encrypted. And fourth one is data sharing, making sure that you are able to collaborate with your partner in business as far as data insights is concerned. And last but not least is basically concurrent users. When number of users are growing, everybody wanted to get some insight out of data. So Snowflake will take care of all these features as well. So all in all, highly revolutionized cloud data platforms. You must learn it for your job level entry or even in the career growth, whatever stage you are. With this note, this is Nirpa Chetri. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.